Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead. This is non-negotiable for safety. Once the breaker is off, use a non-contact tester or multimeter on the switch screws to verify no voltage. Remove the faceplate and unscrew the switch, keeping screws handy. As you pull the switch from the box, note which wires are on which terminal. Take a photo if needed. Make sure you have the correct replacement switch spec before proceeding to disconnect any wires. You now inspect the wiring for damage and loose connections. Burned insulation or corroded terminals mean replacement. Detach each wire from the old switch one at a time, then attach them to the corresponding terminals on the new switch so you don't mix hot and load. Tighten terminal screws firmly but avoid over-torquing, which can break the screw. Reconnect the ground. Once wired, gently push the switch back into the box, screw it in squarely, and reattach the faceplate before restoring power. With the switch installed, turn the breaker back on and test the switch. If the light works, cycle it a few times to confirm reliable operation. If it doesn't, cut power again and double-check wire placement, tightness, and that the correct terminal is used for the hot and load. Also test the light fixture and bulb for failure. If you see sparking, persistent faults, or if wiring in the box is damaged or confusing, make sure to shut power off and call a licensed electrician to avoid hazards.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.